We're back, and as you can see, we have the doll here. It's really, really cute. And we're gonna start trying forward clothes, okay? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna pause while I find it. Okay, I'll see you after I find it.